You know that feeling when you have a million things to do, but only 24 hours in a day? Well, here is the secret. I found a way to hack time itself using AI, and it is completely free. Did you know the average person spends over 2 hours a day on tasks that AI can now do in minutes? Imagine getting that time back. What would you do with it? Let's talk about how AI can literally make your day easier. First, let's talk about the elephant in the room. AI isn't just for tech experts anymore. It's for everyone. From writing emails to planning your meals, AI is becoming part of our daily lives. And the best part is you don't need to spend a dime. Today, I'll show you how free AI tools can help you save time and get more done. Think about it. AI can help you with all those little things that eat up your time. No more wasting hours drafting emails or scouring the internet for the perfect image. With AI by your side, you'll be a productivity pro in no time. Okay, so here's the deal. Most of us struggle with the same stuff. Too many tasks, not enough hours, forgetting appointments or deadlines, wasting time on repetitive work. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, or just someone trying to stay organized, time is the one thing we never have enough of. Now imagine having an AI assistant that can help with all that. It's like having a personal assistant, except it's virtual and it's free. Here's how it works. Using AI tools like Notion AI, you can organize your schedule and plan your week. With ChatGPT, you can draft emails or even have it write a report in seconds. Otter, AI can take notes for you during meetings so you never miss any details. And Canva AI can design your social media posts in a fraction of the time. Not only does this save you time, but it also reduces stress and helps you stay focused on what really matters. And here's the best part. These tools aren't just for big businesses or tech geeks. They're for anyone who wants to simplify their life and boost their productivity. Now I want to take things up a notch. Are you ready for the ultimate AI hack? Task automation. Tools like Zapier or If let you connect apps together so things just happen. No more manual labor, no more wasted time. Imagine this. Every time you get an email with an attachment, it's automatically saved to your Google Drive and sent to your WhatsApp. 0 clicks. This one hack alone can save you hours every week, and it's completely free to start. To sum it up, AI can handle your writing, your design, your note-taking, and even automate entire workflows, saving you time, stress, and effort. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these AI hacks will you try first? Drop it in the comments below. And if you want to see more AI tools in action, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.